For just $269,000, you get a 2022 built home, a 42 by 42 insulated and heated shop with rough-ins for a bathroom, and a 14-foot door with drive-through access. The property sits on just over 5 acres of land, and across the street is 40 acres of state land. All of this being just about 7 minutes from downtown Bemidji, and this creates the total package. Welcome to 2101 Frone Road Northeast. Let's take a look. If you'd like more information or would like to set up a private tour of this property, click the link in the description or reach out to me directly at 218-308-1230. This has been Tyler Montgomery with Team Montgomery and 218 Real Estate. Take care.